Hello, guys. This is Danny here at ParTay. So, my last little one for the day, but I was having fun with Santa Claus here and figured I would just post a little something. So, this is the little transparency again. Now, it's sprayed with our core formula on the back side. This side here that's facing us is unsprayed. So, we've still got it's not that bright outside, but we still got a good bit of floodlight coming in. I checked the lux on the back side of the panel before I hit it with the projector, and it was roughly somewhere in the ballpark of about 124. It kept fluctuating between 123 to 126, so I'm gonna say 124 and call it a day. Overall, though, this gives a really nice image given that it's a 23 lumen projector sitting from about 4.5 feet away, and that is a transparency. So the light that's coming in from the windows is hitting a transparency. Plus, I've got the light on overhead. I'm checking to make sure that diffusively that backside's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and it is. It's 23 lumens. It's doing a fine job, so I can't complain. Now, I'm not doing this so that we can create rear projection films. Rear projection isn't really my niche. I think it could be fun. I think of applications where you can set up touch screen mapping in retail shops, restaurants, stuff like that. That's all cool concept. The projection mapping for touchscreen would not really be that difficult. I'm a coder by nature. I got a pretty extensive background when it comes into technical stuff. So, from a coding perspective, that would not be that difficult for me. But it's just it's more of a niche hard commercial type thing, and I'm more into the cinema aspect and to the worship aspect. That's where we'll focus our time, at least for the near term. But honestly, I love the fact that this may allow us to do some of the graphical design elements in the screens that I've been looking to do. I mean, I think it would be great to personalize your screen and then turn it on, and all of it disappear. You get to watch a movie, and when you're done, boom, you've got a piece of artwork there, taking up that big old rectangle in your living space. So that's what we're working on here. Hopefully, we'll get it pulled together in the next couple of months. Excited about our launch. Our launch is coming up, so we're really excited about it, and we're probably going to have a couple of giveaways. So. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe because it'll be for the subscribers. Boy, I said that all messed up. Subscribers. So if you can subscribe and hit that notification button, that'll give you a chance for a couple of the giveaway items we're going to have. And hopefully you like this video, and I'll post a couple tomorrow just to show some advancements if I make any overnight. All right, you guys have a great night. Thanks for your time. Bye.